Alright, so here's my setup. I have my server, and I put this disk with degrees around it so I can track the position. Then I connected my picoscope and picoscope to PWM4 and server to PWM3, and I modified my program so I can change the values for PWM from 250 to 207 2000, sorry, from 250 to 2750. So then I have I can change the duty cycle more, and also I modified the way it writes to the output, so I update PWM3 and 4 at the same time, so then I can plot the graphs and observe the changes in server at the same time. So sorry for shaking. This is how it will look like. So I positioned I'm not sure if you can see my cursor, so I will use my pen instead. So here you can see the picoscope output, and in standard situation 7.5 duty cycle. Here I created an image of what I expect. So you can see this is my inputs, and in the lab it was from 1000 to 2000, but in my case I will test from 250 to 2750, and for convenience I included the pulse width, the duty cycle, and expected position. And here I have a multi-threaded TTY where I can actually observe the where I can enter the input values and observe the differences in the position. So I will control PWM 3. So to do that I need to enter 11, and now I can enter the value. So by default it's 1500, and as you can see there is no difference. If we enter 2000s, then servo rotates 45 degrees, and you can see this corresponds to 10% duty cycle, and this is exactly what we are expecting. And if we go to 1000, then it rotates to minus 45 degrees, and this corresponds to 5% duty cycle, and it's right here, minus 45. However, in the datasheet it actually says that you can vary it in this diapason. So if we say the upper limit 2250, as you can see it's quite close to 90 degrees, but still not exactly 90 degrees, and this corresponds to 11.25 percent duty cycle and 67.5 degrees. I'm not sure if it's exactly 67.5 or but it's quite close to that. And if we use 750, well, 750, then again it's quite close to minus 90, but not exactly minus 90, so it's about 70 degrees. So that was the recommended diapason, but actually in order to reach the full diapason of rotation we can try to go beyond the limits. So if we say 2500, then we can see that it almost reaches 90. However, I don't know if you can hear, but actually it doesn't like this position at all. So it can be done, but I don't think it's a recommended thing to do. And the same way for 500, it rotates to minus 90, and here actually it feels much better. yeah, here's the duty cycles. Moreover, we can actually make it move more than 180 degrees, and I will demonstrate this quite quickly because motor really hates when I do that. So if I do 250, it's more than minus 90 degree, and the same way if I do 2750. Well, this time didn't work. Well, but you see that server really hates this. I think once I managed to get more than, but I'm not sure about that. So that's what this is what I wanted to show and say. Thank you.